Hey all, Aaron here from the partner team at Onshape, and today I want to spend a little time walking you through the Onshape App Store, and more specifically, how to subscribe to a couple different kinds of apps. First off, finding the App Store should be simple. Anytime you're using Onshape, you should see an App Store link in the upper right-hand corner of the interface. When you click it, you'll be taken to the App Store where you can browse by type, by rating, or peruse the entire catalog. We'll be lazy though, and start by selecting Fi, the first item we see, an integrated cloud app for advanced servicing. From there, we can gain additional insights, see screenshots, prices, and we can subscribe to a free trial. After subscribing, a window pops up, which most everyone probably closes without looking at. I know I'm guilty of this. Anyway, switching back to my document, I might try to access my app from the trusted Plus menu, but where's Fi? Seeing as this tab hasn't been reloaded since subscribing, I'll do a quick reload, and voila! I can now see Fi in the list. Upon adding a tab for the app, we'll authorize its permissions, and just like that I can start using Fi to create some great new design. See how easy it is to manipulate this shape? Click and drag and stretch and rotate, fun stuff. But not all apps work this same way. Let's jump back into the App Store, and this time we'll scroll down the list a little bit until I find OneIPM, an integrated project management tool. More on that later. This app is also an integrated cloud app, but it operates in a slightly different way. I'll subscribe, then refresh, and instead of accessing this one through the tabbed interface, aka the plus menu, this time you'll find the app on the right-hand side, similar to where you manage configurations or access a bill of materials. From the OneIPM tabs here, you can see different assembly structures like tree or node. You have access to sortable, filtered bill of materials that you can edit on the fly. You can visualize version-to-version changes with the simple slide of a mouse, or you can use the tab view to manage projects and tasks, and that's just part of what OneIPM can do. But I digress. Let's see another app type. This time, we'll be looking at how to use a connected cloud app, with OnScale as our example. I'll start by selecting to subscribe to a trial, which, after a handful of dialogues, will take me here, which tells me my subscription was successful, but until I have an OnScale account, it doesn't mean much. Let's click Sign In, which takes me to the OnScale login. If you have an account, log in here, or if not, register. We'll skip those steps and take you to a new simulation project in OnScale to show you how to connect to your Onshape data. Clicking either of the two buttons provided to import CAD, we'll open a dialog with some samples, a chance to upload, or right here at the end, a direct link to Onshape. It's an obvious choice for us, and from there a quick login and authorization will provide OnScale a direct link to those Onshape documents. Then, it's up to me to use all those 500 core hours that come with my professional and enterprise subscriptions. Finally, if you're like me and subscribe to each and every app, there will come a time where you'll want to remove one. In this case, my Electric Cloud trial has expired, so I can select my apps at the bottom of this list and cancel my trial. It's time I paid for a professional subscription anyway. Luckily, the App Store uses the same billing tools as my Onshape subscription, so my payment method is already on file. Can't wait to use Electra in my next design.